what it looks like when you're trying to do a photo shoot in the middle of crazy West Hollywood. Look how cute this little patio is though. We're at Farmer's Daughter. I don't know what Mikey's doing. He like ran to his car for something. But I'm wearing this little spell set and I think it's so freaking cute. This is for a campaign, so if you happen to see this and you go to Instagram, that's what that is. Always appreciate your love and support. But I actually think this outfit is so cozy and cute. I'm gonna bring it to the East Coast when I go see Sparky. And I got this little rose latte. The rose chunks keep getting stuck in my teeth, but it's yummy. Say hi.
Hi.
He's just taking a shortcut here over the freaking fence. This is my outfit. He's the best. I'm gonna change in the bathroom. Ta-da! This is how it goes. This is what it is. Haven't done like a content sesh like this for a while, so we're good at this though. I just realized that this is like mint and I just verified it and smelled it. I bet they use this in their like recipes. How freaking cute. Oh my gosh, had such a cute shoot with Mikey. I was wearing this last with like a skirt and that just felt like too much. So I just threw on these little leather joggers that are actually randomly like Vera Wang from Kohl's that I love. And so this is my fit for this little favorite things party. I took too long changing my pants and finding shoes, but I'm bringing this Charlotte Tilbury cryo recovery mask. I put a bow on it because I didn't want to fully wrap it. I didn't know what the rules were, but let's go. Oh my gosh, we just got to Kimmy's. Look at her freaking wallpaper and she's gonna turn this on for us and I can't wait. Ah! Oh my gosh, she's so cool, Kimmy. What, this wallpaper is like life. I see curves, I see butts, I see what this, she reminds me of Titanic. Oh, like, yes. Draw me with only this on. Right here, this one. She's giving rose. Okay. This place is cute. Your place is cute. It's so cozy. This is wild.
Sophia and Sarah. Nice to meet you.
We're drawing a number and you can scale it up to twice.
Your turn, you either can take from the pile.
Oh no.
Correct.
How do you know?
I feel like I wanted like a higher number. Actually, I don't know. Maybe it's good when you have.
What are you?
I'm 5.
I'm 9. It's fine.
Is it a blender? Okay.
Oh.
This is not yours. I'm not
What is that? Oh, it's a pulling food processor.
Yeah, so these are all of my favorite smells.
Oh my gosh, I love smells. Okay, extra credit. Okay, this smells unreal. Let's dig in. Where do we begin? Although the portions look small. This was the most expensive Postmates I've ever ordered in my life. She's laughing and I'm gonna cry. Because this paper was wrapped around the crab roll and I thought that it was part of I thought it was the paper like that you're supposed to eat. And so I ate the other half of this. And it's in my stomach right now. I think they think it's funny, but I might be ill. Yeah, I don't know what it is. Okay, listen, this was supposed to be packing night, but instead we ordered hundreds of dollars worth of sushi. It was like subpar. And now we're gonna make cocktails.
Yay!
This is, I just randomly got this box in the mail. I feel like it was meant for us. I literally don't know where it came from. The new bar. I think it's a bar in like Silver Lake or something. It's a non-alcoholic, oh no.
Oh no.
So what's the new plan?
I was like, this is a trick. Tonight I was craving a real cocktail. So I'm gonna give this beautiful box of like non-alcoholic cocktails to a really good friend of mine who is, her and her partner are exploring not drinking and trying some of the the alcohol alternatives that are out there. And so I'm gonna give it to her as like a gift, as like a beautiful little basket. I'm not gonna take claim for it. I'm not gonna like say I made it for her. I'm gonna lie. But anyway, I think she might be a better recipient of it. So we found ourselves not having all the ingredients for everything. So we're actually taking a canned margarita, which looks like very high quality.
It does look nice.
Okay, it's like expensive, I bet. Then we're gonna maybe add more tequila, a little lemon. We're gonna like basically make our own like margaritas, but like we'll see how good.
It smells yummy.
I know, I think
Look at the rim job.
It will be. Okay, I was gonna do this as the taster. She's opinionated, okay. Oh, it slaps. Yeah, it's really good. Imagine it with the tahini rim that we just made. And imagine with a tiny bit more tequila, maybe.
What's the
Maybe some
percentage
fresh
on the
lemon?
can?
13%? Check it out.
Oh my god.
Told you.
Oh my god, I was gonna do the same thing.
Wait, she said. The orange salt is from Spain.
Salsa able to lock it.
A pattern.
She's constantly not being able to stand men.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Every
like, I
time.
mean, like, it
I think
seems
after
like-
the second date, I'm like, I
They all
hate
fucking
you.
suck.
Second date, I hate you.
Yeah.
But I keep you around because I'm kind of bored and like have nothing better to do.
If you want to see me, okay. I don't necessarily want to see you.
If you want to see me, I will tolerate it in small quantities.
Exactly.
Who's gonna say no to free sushi? A crazy person. That's hot. Right next to the makeup pads.
Yeah, that's
Taste test.
Oh my god.
Hold on, did you just taste it without us?
I just the talking that I put in and with my finger. Or did I?
Okay, there we go.
Okay. Woo!
Cheers.
Cheers! Wait, what's our little holiday cheers wish? Just to not let anything get to us and just have fun and just soak in the joy and be in the present this holiday moment. That's it's really good, especially with the tahini and the lemon, the orange salt rim.
That orange salt is really good.
It's so good. Woo. Woo. So good.
Now we're gonna go pack.
Oh man.
Okay. This is the packing list that I made, and I can go into detail one day. But this is where we're at packing wise. And this is the pile we're
hi.
choosing from.
She's so good. How did you survive going to Europe without you? Like you just came.
We survived by just finding the passport. And that's how we
That was so.
that was the scariest moment of my life.
Oh my gosh, I'll never forget.
Most traumatizing thing you've ever put me through.
I'm losing it. My real estate agent is so cute. She just sent me this gift. Look at the wrapping paper. It's perfection. It's like all my favorite colors. It makes me so happy. And inside was this little crate of eggs and like an egg holder. And I was like, interesting, but it smelled really good. They're little cinnamon. Oh, I love cinnamon. I know Emily does not do not smell it. You're like, eh.
I like the smell. I just
so
want the
good.
taste.
They're cinnamon vanilla. It's a little cinnamon.
It's like a cinnamon roll.
Cinnamon roll.
vanilla eggs in this precious little thing, and then you put them in the little
So cute.
in the little egg. How freaking, that makes me so happy.
That is so
I'm gonna put it in the cabin. This is so cute.
And we're on drink number 3.
Oh yeah, now we're having
And the suitcase is a lot more packed now.
and we're doing so well.
We are. No stress. It's a great time.
I want to show them the color palette that's emerging. Because everything is like kind of mix and match and goes together, and it's all like cream and like pinks. The only like deviation is like this kind of burgundy, I guess it's like a purple, like a deep purple, but that still kind of goes with like, I don't know, it's a vibe and everything's coming together, and this is the least stressed I've ever been packing.
We just got tacos and I'm so excited.
Okay, we got tacos. They're telling me these are the best tacos ever that they discovered when they were at my house one time.
there is no name.
There literally is not a name for it.
There's an address, but no
It smells incredible. So you're telling me there's somebody there cooking these tortillas like fresh?
Uh-huh.
Oh my gosh. I got a chicken and an asada. Wait, what's that?
Quesadilla.
They have a quesadilla?
Yeah.
You didn't even tell me that. Okay, I will admit that is like one of the best tacos I've had in a really long time. And it doesn't have a name, so we can't tell you where to go. But yeah, I guess we can drop you a pin. But it was seriously life-changing. Like I got 2 and I wish more than anything on this planet I'd gotten more. And now I'm in that like cozy sleepy phase where I'm like, I don't want to finish packing, I want to nap. But I know these 2 taskmasters are gonna make me finish. How am I supposed to turn this makeup bag into something packable? I can't. I probably shouldn't claim victory too early, but I think we might be all right. We're finishing packing. I'm getting some, this is your time announcement. We have breakfast, we have coffee, we're finishing up. I think I'm gonna make it. Thanks to this angel right here. How do you guys live life on a different level than me. You wanna say goodbye?
Bye. I had fun last night. Brianna's brushing her teeth.
We did too. She's finally brushing her teeth. Not like she, never mind, gotta go. Okay, happy Vlogmas, bye.